all these leaked images are coming out. A lot of them, obviously, we don't know where they're from. They are, in my opinion, these are authentic images.
Really?
You wouldn't say so.
I know for a fact they're not.
Oh, you know for a fact that they are not authentic.
Yeah, I tossed them by someone from Microsoft.
You're kidding me.
Yep.
And are we talking about the one that everybody's reporting with just...
Yeah, that's the start menu.
Okay.
It's fake.
Okay.
So I actually saw, I don't remember who this was. It could have been Brad Sams. It was someone like that. Someone credible, I mean, which I thought was a good way to say it, which was, it is not coincidental that the supposed leaks of Windows 9 have only shown off the exact two features we already know are happening, right?
Yeah.
When actual leaks occur, you see these interesting reports. And I will write these, Raphael might write something about this, Mary Jo would certainly, where people say, hey, this is weird thing in this leaked build called whatever it is that no one's ever heard anything about. And maybe the name changes over time. Maybe that feature actually gets removed from Windows. That happens all the time. That's how you know you have a leak. When the leak just shows off the exact same thing we already knew was happening, that's a clue that.
But I mean, we have seen this before. We saw a actually leaked image from Build that showed the start menu.
Well, by the way, so to be clear, the Build image was supplied by Microsoft and was a mock-up.
It was a mock-up.
It wasn't real. It was just a picture.
Okay.
This is how we anticipate it might look. It wasn't like someone took a picture on the desktop. It was fake.
And just to be clear, this is the image that you're talking about, right? This is not a real image.
Right. That's one of them. Yep.
This is one of them.
Yep.
I mean, what's interesting in this image, I don't know why, the new set, it has removed all the stuff here in the apps.
Sure.
I saw it previously with it.
Probably because the supplied image from Microsoft was not high resolution enough for them to duplicate it accurately.
That's really funny.
Yeah,
that's really funny. So this is not authentic. There is no build currently.
There is no preview build of Windows 9 that's leaked.
Okay.
It's all fake.
You know what? You are the first person to say this.
Yeah. There's a reason I haven't written about it.
What's
the
really
other
funny?
thing I would say is
Paul, the first thing I did when I saw this today when I was doing the notes, I went to your website. And I didn't see it posted on your website. And I know you're really conservative about posting stuff.
I don't want to get into the whole,
I know.
This is fake, because there was a time in the Longhorn time frame when everything had slowed down and there was just so much not happening that I did spend some time debunking stuff back then. I mean, right now I just say, look, I'll write, if it's real, I'll write about it. I mean, I threw it by, like I said, I threw it by someone at Microsoft. Because I saw them too. There's a couple more. And I said, okay, seriously.
Yeah, there's one at the store.
I had a guy download a build for me that was supposedly the build, fake. It's all fake.
Yeah.
So it's just fake.
Why do that? Why do that? Like what are they getting out of that?
People get a perverse pleasure out of this kind of thing. I mean, why does someone who commits a crime return to the scene of the crime just so they can watch the aftermath? I mean, there's just a kind of an excitement to it, I guess.
So this is according to a website named Mice, MYCE, which I don't know much about. And they are the ones claiming that they obtained a leaked version of the build. The build is 9795.
Okay.
So, it is weird. I mean, it's a weird thing to do. It's a weird thing to do.
It is a weird thing to do.